see how you can verify your domain for your Facebook Business Manager, go to business.facebook.com/settings. If you have more than one business, select the appropriate business. After that, go to Brands, Safety and Suitability. Click on Domains. Click on Add Domain and create a new domain and enter your domain name. Click on Add. Now Facebook will give you 3 options through which you can verify the domain. The best and the most fastest one is to update the DNS TXT record. After selecting this, kindly click on this and copy the TXT record. Now go to your domain DNS manager. In our case, we are using Cloudflare. Click on Add Record and click on the type as TXT. Enter @ in the name or the host, and in the content paste the Facebook copied verification string. Click on Save. Now go back to the business settings. Best to wait for 2 to 3 hours, and after that click on Verify Domain. In case of Cloudflare, this is instant, but with most of the DNS providers, it might take 2 to 3 hours. Once verified, kindly inform us. Thank you.